In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the perfect layout for your Coda documents. Whether you're just starting out with Coda or looking to optimize your workspace, this guide will walk you through the steps to customize your document layout to suit your needs. First, let's head on over to Coda, your all-in-one collaborative workspace. If you haven't already signed up, you'll see a Get Started button on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that to begin. Coda offers a seamless integration with Google, making it super simple to log in. Click on the Google button and you'll be directed to the Google sign-in page. Here, select your Google account that you want to associate with Coda. If you're already signed into Google, this will be a breeze. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in your Coda workspace. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Now it's time to open your document. Navigate to your list of documents and click to open the one you want to work on. Once the document is open, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. Clicking on these dots will bring up a menu where you should select Doc Settings. In the Doc Settings panel, look for the Page Options tab. This is where the magic happens. When you click on Page Options, you'll see the Layout section. Here you have the ability to choose your page width. Coda offers 3 width options: narrow, wide, or full. Each of these can significantly change the appearance of your document and should be chosen based on both the type of content you're working with and your personal preference. For instance, a narrow layout might work best for simple text documents, while a wide or full layout could be ideal for rich, multimedia-heavy content. Feel free to toggle between these options to see what suits your document best. Additionally, you have the option to change the content alignment. In the same Layout section, you can align your content either to the left or center. This choice can affect the readability and aesthetic of your document, so consider how your information is being presented and what works best visually for the type of document you're creating. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can customize your Coda documents layout to perfectly match your project's needs. Experiment with the different layout options and content alignments until you find what feels just right. Remember, a well-structured document is not just about looking good, but also about enhancing clarity and usability for you and your collaborators. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding!